Hello, Clint Clough Mechanical. Just doing a little video because we get a question. The question is all the time is everyone's getting sick and they want to know from me, like, what do you have in your house? So one of the things I have in my house, I'm going to show you right here. So this is up in my attic. There's one of them. This is one of the air handlers. This is for upstairs furnaces. There's one that's part of the system. And then on my downstairs unit, I have a totally different system. Start with that one. That one is a UV light. That UV is a double bulb light that goes all the way through my return, and it's constantly on. Both of my systems, the fan runs 24/7, 365 all day long, all night long. This one right here is a remote activator or remote box that sends a signal to my thermostat. I have a remote thermostat. It doesn't require wires. There's a sensor right there that senses the indoor temperature, and then also I have another sensor that goes up there into my roof to get an outside temperature. Those have nothing to do with air filtration. They just have to do with that box right there sending a signal and then adjusting or turning my system on and off whenever I determine when it should come on. That box right there is called an air scrubber. It's one type of system that I have in my attic. It's an actual system that through airflow produces particulates of carbon or hydrogen peroxide, and it actually cleans and sterilizes the air, and actually cleans and sterilizes the surfaces inside your house. It's actually in the airflow, and it actually, as the air goes through it, it actually cleans and sterilizes it, and it pushes it into your house. Just real quick, I'm going to turn the light off and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So that's what light's on. That light over there, the red light, that's my dual bulb UV light. And then right here you can see actually inside that hole the light that it's producing for my scrubber. One of the other systems I have is called I call it a Remy Halo, and I installed it in the supply because I didn't have any more room in my return. We like to try all the products that we have in the system, and we'll actually cycle these on and off. One of them, use one. This one's actually activated, so it only turns on whenever the fan is on. We have it wired through a relay that only turns on with the fan on. But otherwise, it's recommended to run it all the time to filter or purify your air all the time while the air is on. Now I have a little bit of an advanced filtration downstairs. Nothing major, nothing like a Lennox's Pure Air or Train's Clean Effects. One of the other things that I've added is there's a duct right there, goes to that little box, and then it actually comes across and it actually is tied back into my supply. That right there is called a HEPA filter, HEPA bypass filter. The HEPA bypass filter will filter out substantially amount of particulates inside the house, and then recycle. It's got its own fan motor that gets plugged in, and it actually filters out even more particulates to even clean the air even more on the particulate side. So I have the 3 levels of filtration. I have the UV light, I also have the air scrubber, and then I have on the system downstairs I have the dual light UVA, UVC, and then I have my HEPA bypass filter. So those are the things that I have in my house. Again, those are the things that I have in my house. If there's any questions, you can send me an email, cluffmech, CLUFFMECH @gmail.com, or you can call the office. We'd be more than happy to help you. Easy number, 602-765-COOL, 602-765-COOL. Thank you.